Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I'm one half of Not Your Mama's Greens. So we are back with another vegan baking with me. Today we're going to be baking some delicious blueberry streusel muffins. So stay tuned. Let's get it. So what we're going to be using today is actually a pre-made mix from Duncan Hines. Simple Mornings Premium Muffin Mix. So I picked this up from Walmart for a couple dollars. This is inherently vegan, but the recipe actually calls that you use eggs. So since this is a vegan baking episode, we're going to be using this Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. Not sponsored, but call us if you want to sponsor us. And it's the equivalent to 34 eggs, so you can replace it. A tablespoon of egg replacer replaces one whole egg. So that's what we're going to be using today. And then we also have some olive oil. We have some olive oil spray for the muffin pan, measuring cups, and then just some filtered water here as the recipe calls for that as well. So let's get baking. Okay, so what I love about box baking is that all the directions are on here, so I don't need to be going back and forth between my paper, the phone. I can get all the information right here. So it says to preheat your oven to 400. I've already been preheating here. That's the first thing I do when I'm baking, when I'm cooking. Just get the oven going so that way when you're ready, it can just slide right in and you're not waiting for that preheat. So it says to go ahead and grease the muffin pans or line with paper baking cups. So I don't have paper cups I'm going to grease. So I'm just going to take this olive oil spray here and just get her done. Okay, and now that's greased, I'm going to set it to the side. So this comes with, let's actually open this up. It says we need to rinse and drain the blueberries thoroughly with cold water and set aside. So it has like, I think kind of raw blueberries. This is interesting. Oh, this is the top thing, okay. This is the blueberries. I'm going to use a can opener. And then this is the actual mix. So this is like a bourgeois blueberry muffin recipe. So let me find it. So this is kind of like when you're doing like beans. You know, you gotta like rinse your beans. If you're not rinsing them, you should be rinsing them. And be careful because this pigment, you don't want this like blueberry soaking all over your counters. So gingerly open this can. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this. I have no nails right now, so. And I like to push it open and then push it back down for the drain when I do like my beans and stuff. A lot of liquid. Okay. And then I'm just going to give it a nice cold water rinse. I think tap water is fine for this because it gets a rinse. So I kind of get it filled up a little bit, press it back down, drain again, and that's how you prevent yourself from losing any of those blueberries. They look really good. So step 2 is the mix. So we're going to empty muffin mix into a large bowl. Got a mixing bowl here. These muffins are in my breakfast, so I'm super excited about this.
Use a knife.
Use a knife. Okay, I got it. Boom.
Okay.
Use my fingers. Probably should use a knife. Alright. That smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, so now we're going to stir eggs, water, and oil into muffin mix until once in about 50 strokes. This sounds really sexual. That will be slightly lumpy. So I'm going to grab a spoon here. So this is where we're going to go ahead and throw in that Bob's Red Mill egg replacement. So it calls for 2 large eggs.
That does smell good.
Right? So it calls for 2 large eggs. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of egg replacer and 2 tablespoons of water. Alright. See what Bob's got here. Oh my god, so many eggs. 2 tablespoons. Okay, this is a tablespoon. So, oh, this is a teaspoon. Whoops. You guys, you know I'm not a pro baker, okay? I should, disclaimer, not a pro baker. If you saw the last video, you'll know what I'm talking about. So, this is 1 tablespoon of egg replacer. And this is vegan and gluten-free, so if you guys are gluten-free, then this is the stuff for you. I'm super excited about egg replacer because I feel like baked goods is like the last frontier of being vegan is finding stuff that's good that's baked. So to have a replacer is super exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in 4 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna go ahead and start whisking that kind of. Ooh, it's like thick. I really hope that this holds up because once I tried to use applesauce as an egg replacer, I have to actually edit that video. My grandma made a cake and she used applesauce and it just didn't hold well. When it was actually done, the cake was breaking up a lot. So I don't know if I would recommend applesauce. I know that bananas also are good egg replacement, and I stand by bananas. Bananas are good for that, but they do give it a banana taste, so it's not gonna work for every recipe. So this might be the savior, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna throw that in there. And you guys can pick up something like these. I mentioned this in the last video, but you can get these from like Target or Walmart, usually for a couple bucks, and you get a whole set of measuring cups, so they're a really great arsenal for your kitchen. Well, they're really great for your kitchen arsenal. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so yeah, 2/3 cup of water, and then we need a 1/3 cup of oil. We're gonna use some extra virgin olive oil here. You could probably use like whatever you have though. Alright, toss that in. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it's looking like pre-mix. So I'm just gonna like do this until it all starts to blend together and gets kind of smooth, because no one's gonna like sit here and count 50 strokes. If you guys have one of those really cool like whisk things, like the what's the word I'm looking for, like the automatic whisk, you know what I'm talking about, the electric ones, they're so freaking expensive, but if you're like a pro baker, it's probably better than doing this shit. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. And now we're gonna go ahead and fold rinse and drain blueberries gently into the batter. Okay, so a little bit of liquid. These are like wild blueberries. So I guess they say gently so you don't break up the actual blueberries when you're folding it in. And it's gonna give like this cool little purpley color. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna keep some of the blueberry chunks in there. So I'm gonna like taste this batter before I mix in. That's so good. Okay. So now we're gonna spoon the batter into the muffin pan. Fill cups about 2/3 full, and then we'll sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over each muffin and tap lightly into surface. I'm so excited for this muffin. It's like 2 o'clock. I worked out this morning and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm like really starving. Probably not great for my health, but you know, work comes first today. Okay. Go ahead and fill up all these muffin cups off camera, and then we'll come back to the streusel topping and throw it in the oven. All our muffin cups filled. A little messy. We had barely pulled off 12. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this streusel topping on top of the muffins. Oh wait, is there a part? Oh look, look at that. You just break it open with your hands. Oh, well, that's nice stuff today. Okay. So it says to like sprinkle it over and then tap it in. So I'm gonna tap it in with the fork after I get the topping on there. I will say, I don't know if I really do this like all the time to relax, but it is kind of nice to just like be in the moment and focus on like what's right in front of you, because the world is so batshit crazy right now that it can definitely get stressful just constantly being on your phone, looking at the news, all that jazz. Okay, so I managed to use all of it. This is gonna be half a thick streusel. So I'm just gonna tap it in to each muffin so that it's really like sitting in there. This one's pretty much already pressed in. And I'm just using a fork to lightly go in. These are gonna taste fucking delicious. Okay. So we're all tapped in. So I'm pretty sure we can go and put it in the oven. Let me just double check. Yes, so because we're doing 12 medium muffins, it says 16 to 19 minutes baking, and then they're gonna cool for 5 to 10 minutes before we can take them out. So we're gonna let them pop this in here. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for 16 minutes, and then we'll come back to take them out the oven. Alright, so timer's going off. I had it for 16 minutes, so we're going to check on these muffins. I have not checked on them since I put them in there, which is probably not great. Let's go and take them out. Oh, they smell so good, though. I mean, they look perfect, though. So they look almost perfect. This one, ironically, the smallest one came out the best because it looks the most round. The rest of them are kind of flat, so I definitely could have put less mix in. But I'm just going to test it with the knife. Comes through clean, so we can go ahead and take them out. So, I'm going to set another timer for 10 minutes so that these can cool down. You don't want to just like rip them out of the pan and start eating them because they're going to fall apart. So we want to make sure they're cool enough so that we can enjoy them. So I'll let them cool down and then we'll come back on camera for a taste test. Okay guys, our muffins are cooled for 10 minutes, so now it's time for the taste test. Okay. I don't want to take this one because I feel like that's for Sean's muffins. I'm going to take this other little one. And I'm just using the fork. Since we oiled the pan, it came out so smooth. Oh my god. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's so good. It's so good. The egg replacement is perfect. You can't even tell that we didn't use an egg. Oh my god. Our muffin mix is a 10 out of 10. Love it. Yeah, this was a great baking video. 10 out of 10 on the muffin mix. Streusel is great. The muffins held together really well, so the egg replacement really stuck. So I'm definitely going to be using that instead of eggs for all my baking here on out. I got to test it in the kitchen, like making something else, not baking, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm super excited that these came out so good. Alright guys, that's all that I got for you today. Thank you so much for following along. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want me to do more vegan baking with me. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much. Have a good one.